In this video tutorial, we will discuss the trigger result resize once and its relationship between the X, Y, and Z axis. First, let's go up top and we will add our model. You can see I've added the heart model. I put it on paddle number 1. I decided to increase it 400% of its original size. And down on paddle number 2, I actually imported a magnifying glass. So now let's set up our rules and our triggers. We click on our heart model. We will add a rule. I'm going to have my rule say that when paddle number 1 is too far away from paddle number 2, it's actually going to resize my model. I'm going to have it actually resized 50% of what its original default startup is, which is 100%. We always have to make sure that we have the X, Y, and Z axis all the same percentage, or our model will not be proportionate when we do run it in webcam mode or mouse mode, which we will go touch on in a second so we can see what it looks like. So we can currently see right now that on paddle number 1 is the heart, paddle number 2 is where the magnifying glass is, and that our heart model is 400% of its original size. So we set the triggers that when paddle number 2 gets too far away from paddle 1, that our heart model is actually going to resize to 50% of its original size, which was 100%. So you can see as we slowly move it away, once it gets outside 160 millimeters, it resizes. But we can see that our model is actually proportionate because we made sure to keep the X, Y, and Z axis all the same. Now we will test out what it looks like when we actually only adjust one and not the other. And we will once again run it in mouse mode. Alright, you can see that they both look like they start off the same. It's a 400%. Now once we slowly move it 160 millimeters away, that it resizes. But this time, our model looks a little bit different. You can see that this time, it actually did not resize proportionally because we only resized it on our x-axis, not our y and not on our z-axis as well. And that is how you can actually resize a model one time through using the ARDL Module Builder.